Tired of your legal name showing up on every Wise transaction? Learn how to set your preferred name in under a minute. All right, here's the thing. If you go by a nickname, a middle name, or a chosen name that's different from your legal one, seeing that official name pop up every time you send or receive money can feel awkward. It might even confuse the people you're transacting with. The good news is Wise actually lets you display a preferred name instead. And once I show you where the setting is, it takes just seconds to change. I will walk you through the exact steps to update your preferred name in your Wise account settings. Let us start. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Wise account on the web. Once you are on the main dashboard, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You will see a small icon there. It's usually your initials or a tiny profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. Now, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, you want to select the option that says Personal Details. This is where Wise keeps all your account information. Think of it as your profile control center. Click on Personal Details. All right, so now you are on the Personal Details page. It might show you a summary of your account type, your email address, and your current name. But what we need is a bit further in. Look for the part of this page that says Personal Information. It's usually listed in a menu on the left side of the screen, or sometimes as a clickable option right on the main area of the page. Click on Personal Information. And here is the really important part. Once you are in the Personal Information section, you will see all your standard details. Your legal first name, your legal last name, your date of birth, but do not change those. Instead, scroll down a little further. You are looking for a field that says Preferred Name. This field is specifically designed for exactly what we are doing. A lot of people miss this because they assume the only names they can use are the official ones on their ID. But this is where you can type whatever name you actually want people to see. So go ahead and enter your preferred name here. It could be a shorter version of your first name or a completely different name that you go by in daily life. Now, I have tested this on a couple of accounts, and I have seen that Wise lets you use most common names here, but just keep in mind that this is still a financial platform, so stick to a real name or nickname that isn't going to get flagged as suspicious. Avoid anything that looks like a business name or a joke. Just type in the name you actually use. Once you have typed your preferred name into that box, look down at the bottom of the screen. You will see a big blue button that says Save. Click on Save. And that is literally it. The change might take just a moment to process, but once it does, your preferred name will start appearing on your profile, on transaction receipts, and on the recipient's end when they see your payment. Your legal name will still be in the background for compliance reasons, but the name people actually see is now the one you want to use. So whether you go by Alex instead of Alexander, or you use a chosen name that matches who you really are, Wise now shows that instead. It is a small setting that makes a big difference in your day-to-day experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps you feel a little more comfortable using your account.